Good evening, students. The topic that we are going to study is pituitary gland, and the subtopics under this are as follows: pituitary gland introduction, hormone of interior pituitary glands, hormone of posterior pituitary gland. Pituitary gland. The pituitary gland is also known as hypophysis, that is a small gland about 1 centimeter in diameter and approximately zero point 0.5 to 1 gram in weight. Pituitary is connected to the hypothalamus by the pituitary stalk. Physiologically, the pituitary is divisible into two distinct portions: anterior pituitary, adenohypophysis, and posterior pituitary, neurohypophysis, and pars intermedia. Anterior pituitary gland contains different cell types that synthesize and secrete hormones. These have five types of cells: somatotropes, corticotropes, thyrotropes, gonadotropes, and lactotropes. Hormones of anterior pituitary gland. Growth hormone that promotes growth of the entire body by affecting protein formation, cell multiplication, and cell differentiation. Adrenocorticotropin controls the secretion of some of the adrenocortical hormones which affect the metabolism of glucose, protein, and fats. Thyroid stimulating hormone controls the rate of secretion of thyroxine and triiodothyronine by the thyroid gland, and these hormone controls the rate of most intracellular chemical reactions in the body. Prolactin that promotes mammary gland development and milk production. Two separate gonadotropin hormones, follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone, control growth of ovaries and testes as well as their hormonal and reproductive activities. Hormones of posterior pituitary gland. The two hormones secreted by the posterior pituitary, these hormones are usually produced in hypothalamus and stored in the posterior lobe until they are released. First is antidiuretic hormone, also called vasopressin, control the rate of water excretion into the urine and helping to control the concentration of water in the body fluids. Oxytocin help express milk from the glands of the breast to the nipple during suckling and possibly help in the delivery of the baby at the end of the gestation. Now, the pituitary gland disorders: pituitary tumors, hyperpituitarism, acromegaly, diabetes insipidus, Cushing disease, hyperprolactinemia, traumatic brain injury. This is all for today. Thank you.